Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and today we're bringing a brand new suspension system to you guys. So often we see comments, thanks for showing us a full tilt system. I don't quite have that budget, etc., etc. I'm not gonna jump my truck. This truck's just for around town. What do I need? Do you have a suspension system that's a hair cheaper? Today we're introducing to you that system. This is the Carli Suspension Signature Leveling Kit. Now this kit is gonna work on the 05 and up trucks, or the 05 and up Ford Super Duties, all the way up to current. Now there is a little bit difference between the different year marks for the kits. However, the base price of this kit is in the $600 range at the filming of this video. It does work up from there with the options, but again, this is going to be the most affordable and best riding kit for your Super Duty. We took this truck back to the basics, how you would configure it if you were building this truck in your driveway. 37-inch tires, 17-inch wheels, and the Carli Signature Leveling Kit, and we opted for the rear shock upgrade as well as the track bar upgrade. Now you'll also notice I do not have the replacement sway bar on this truck, nor the replacement radius arms. Again, we're shooting for what would the average consumer pick up in their driveway, install in their driveway, and so we wanted to build a test bed for that. With all of that said, I'm absolutely blown away. Carli absolutely killed it with the system. The front shocks, again, are the Carli Signature Series shocks. It is a shock built for Carli by one of the leading suspension manufacturers actually in the world. They use a stainless steel shock body that is clear coated. All of the ends are weatherproof, so those of you up north in harsh environments, these shocks are gonna hold up really well. It's Carli's, famous coil springs. All the supporting components you see are also included with the different systems. Now, on that note, some of you guys talk about these systems include extra parts. Why do they include it? Do I need them? Things like that. With that said, all of the components in the kit absolutely are required. That's why you can option a track bar, things like that, if the budget does allow. But brake lines, brake line tabs, caster cams, things like that, those are very important for getting your truck on the road safely. So many kits will include, will not include brake line tabs, will include coils and a shock extender. With that increased movement of your suspension, your brake lines are gonna be stretched, could be put in a bad position. Using this kit with new brake lines or brake line tabs is gonna immediately remove all of those issues. Alignment-wise, all the Carli kits include new caster shims, which people are even using on stock trucks to try to combat death wobble. So with all that said, these systems are complete. They are what you need, but it will get your truck driving down the road without issues. Now, ride quality is why you came to this video, right? All the leveling kits are gonna level the truck, some of them for 80 bucks. But what is the difference? What sets this kit apart from the rest of them? And that's gonna be the ride quality and the handling of this truck. These are not a shock that they found that fits and works with their coil springs and they send it out the door. This is a custom tune designed for Carli suspension shock. So the ride improvement is dramatic. The ride improvement, going over dips, the handling, the cornering of this truck, all these aspects, all these things you experience on a daily basis, they're gonna be improved dramatically over stock. Personally, I was still blown away. I expected to see a pretty major decrease in performance from the King system when going to this, and that's not the case. The King definitely has its accolades off highway, hitting big dips, things like that. But for an average consumer going from the stock truck that rides like a covered wagon, this truck rides, tenfold better than stock. At the heart of all of that improvement is going to be the custom tuned and custom spring shock combo that Carli Suspension puts together. Again, someone doesn't just stamp this as done as soon as the parts fit. Someone actually drove in this truck to get a custom tuned experience with the ride at a price point that we've actually never seen before. Lastly, the suspension travel, we're increasing the height of this on most of these trucks, 2.5 inches, on the 2020 trucks, 3.5 inches. So the suspension travel of the truck is greatly increased, yet the height is only increased slightly. So you're gonna benefit, from the look you're looking for, being able to squeeze up to 37-inch tires on most of these platforms, as well as a dramatically improved ride at a price point that I think most people who can afford these trucks will be able to afford. So we're really stoked to introduce this system to you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Happy to answer any questions you may have. Check the links in the bio as well as the comments for where to purchase this kit for your truck. We're really excited about this one again. We'll catch you guys on the next one.